Hello, my amazing friends. Learning English doesn't have to be difficult or boring, because sometimes the most powerful way to learn is to simply press play. Music connects us. It helps you feel the words, understand the emotions, and most of all, speak with confidence. Today, I'll share 4 empowering songs. Songs that don't just teach you English. They remind you who you are. Song number 1, Roar by Katy Perry. I used to bite my tongue and hold my breath. Ever felt like you had to stay quiet? Like your voice didn't matter? This song is about breaking free, about finding your voice and using it. Learn bold words like unleash, roar, break free. Katy Perry's rhythm is catchy, confident, the perfect track to practice pronunciation and rhythm. Sing with her, not to sound perfect, but to feel brave. Because every time you speak louder, you own your voice a little more. Song number 2, Stronger by Kelly Clarkson. You think you got the best of me? Think again. This one's all about resilience, about rising after you fall, and speaking even when your voice shakes, with lines like, "What doesn't kill you makes you stronger." You might confidence and learn English that sticks. Pay attention to her tone, her emotion. That's called intonation, and it teaches you how to speak with feeling. Use her words in real life. Tell yourself, I'm getting stronger because you are. Song number 3, I Will Survive by Gloria Gaynor. This isn't just a disco hit, it's a declaration of strength, from heartbreak to healing, from fear to power. Powerful vocabulary like crumble, survive, walk out the door. Each word is packed with emotion and perfect for deeper English learning. Let it play when you feel low. Let the rhythm carry you and remind yourself you will survive. Song number 4, Fight Song by Rachel Platten. This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Quiet voice, doubts in your mind. This song is for you. Rachel's lyrics are a battle cry, filled with courage and hope. Learn phrases like, take back my life, prove I'm all right, I still have a lot of fight left in me. Let this melody lift you. Sing it during hard days, not for anyone else, but as a promise to yourself, because you're not giving up, not today. Music teaches more than language. It teaches emotion, resilience, confidence, and most of all, it reminds you who you're becoming. So make your own playlist, play it loud, sing it strong, and keep learning English through the words that lift you up. Now tell us, which song speaks to your soul? Because you're not just learning English, you're discovering your voice, and no matter where you are on your journey, you got this. Thanks for watching, everyone! See you in the next video, and remember, the best is yet to come.